This is OUKITEL WP19 IP65 rated. It's a rugged smartphone. 21,000 milliamp battery, 8 gig, 256 gig, 12 cell phone, 64 megapixel camera, 20 megapixel night vision, 6.7 FHD screen. It's waterproof and 4G dual SIM OTG NFC. This has a lot to offer, and I'm going to demonstrate some shots at night of my plant and out by the water for you. And we're going to go outside and do some videos as well. Now, for cell services, depending on your carrier, that'll all be up to you for 5G service. Now, let's get going. Let me show you what's inside this box. It's a nice box, well packaged. Remove the sticker. Oh man, this phone is a powerhouse. It's got weight to it. It's thick. 4 cameras, a light, 3 of them. Everything is well protected. It's already got screen protectors on, so you don't need to put anything on, peel anything off. Let's just make sure of that. It looks like there is a film protector on here. On the front, you can see there is already a tempered glass protector. So you can take this phone and you could drop it as many times as you like. On the bottom is going to be a USB-C and a 3.5 millimeter jack port. You get your high amperage USB Type-C, C to C cable to plug your phone in. It has the door that you will cover up to make it water sail. It has the on and off switch, so when you do turn this bad boy on, I already charged mine, it greets you, powered by Android. It shows you the date, time. To unlock, you simply just swipe, Google, do, and so forth. Everything is all loaded for you. This is the camera, what we're going to be showing you. We're going to show you some of the pictures I have taken of night vision outdoors. If I swipe, there's another night vision shot. There's some other shots of standard light. And this is some video for you. As we play the next video, there is another shot, night. You can see the description of everything out there, nice and clear, as we continue forward into the shots. This was a rainy day. Another picture of grain and detail, and all the dust that I now need to clean. And as a standard shot, real crisp and clear. Let's simply go into the settings. It's located on top, as you can see, because you got a shield and everything. I'm not a Google or Android person, so please forgive me when I'm again searching. We have app settings, notification, conversation, Google. In order to get to further apps, you simply just swipe up by holding the screen. And these are all the applications in the unit. You have network, connect device, app, notifications, battery life, storage, smart key, intelligent system, sound, display, accessibility, and so on. Wait. The nice part about this is there is a lanyard strap right here, and what we're going to do is try our best to hook something up, and we're going to put this in the soup, the water, and get an undershot. It is not a warm day for us to go swimming anymore, so we'll do our best to get some shots in the water for you. We are on scuba. We hit the record button. We're recording. smartphones, and it never ends. So if you're looking for an excellent phone and you drop, break, and you want something rugged and strong, indestructible, and you love video and long life, this has everything punched into it all. So the phone there is will do a great job, and I hope you enjoyed some of the sample shots I have shared with you of the outdoor experience of a smartphone. Enjoy your smartphone no matter where you're at, and I hope you enjoy these sample shots. Have a great day with the choice of your carrier and smartphone.